Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the 20 most important MCQ question of the biology. Complete question of the biology, which are the most important question, most popular question. So that I request to all students, please read carefully all the objective question. We come the first objective question: which process helps plant prepare food? Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, transpiration. Option D, digestion. The correct answer will be B. Photosynthesis is the process which helps plants prepare food. It means the tree make their food with the process of the photosynthesis. Now we see next question. Which pigment is essential for photosynthesis? Option A, hemoglobin. Option B, chlorophyll. Option C, melanin. Option D, keratin. The chlorophyll is the pigments essential for the photosynthesis. So option B is correct. Question third. The basic unit of life is option A, tissue. Option B, organ. Option C, cell. Option D, organism. Correct answer will be cell. Question 4. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Which organ pump blood in the human body? Brain, lungs, heart, kidney. The correct answer will be heart. Question number 5. What is the function of the stomata? Option A, absorb water. Option B, gas exchange. Option C, transport food. Option D, store food. The correct answer will be gas exchange. The stomata is the function which exchanges the gases. So option B is correct. Now question number 6. Which part of the brain control the thinking? Cerebellum, medulla, cerebrum, spinal cord. Correct answer will be cerebrum. Option C is correct. Question number 7. Which disease is the caused by the bacteria? Option A, malaria. Option B, tuberculosis. Option C, dengue. Option D, AIDS. The correct answer will be tuberculosis. Question 8. The male reproductive organ in human is ovary, testis, uterus, fallopian tube. The correct answer will be testis. Option B is correct. Question number 9. Which hormones control the growth in humans? Thyroxine, insulin, growth hormones, adrenaline. Correct answer will be C. Question number 10. What is the function of the xylem? Transport of food, transport of water, photosynthesis, respiration. Correct answer will be B. transport of water. Question number 11. Which part of the plant makes food? Root, stem, leaf, flowers. Correct answer will be leaf. Leaf is the part of plant which makes the food. Question number 22. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Option A carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. Correct answer will be oxygen. Question number 13. Which organ removes waste from the blood? Liver, heart, kidney, lungs. Correct answer will be C as a kidney. Kidney is the organ which removes the waste material from the blood. Question number 14. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic dynamic nucleic acid, double nucleic acid known. Option A is correct. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 15. Which blood cell fight infection? RBC, WBC, platelet, plasma. The correct answer will be WBC. Question number 16. Which process breaks down food to release energy? Photosynthesis, respiration, digestion, exhalation. The correct answer will be B. Respiration. Respiration is the process which break down food to release energy. Question number 17. Which organs helps in the breathing? Liver, kidney, lungs, heart. Correct answer will be C. Lungs, which is the organ helps in breathing. Question number 18. Which part connected brain and body? Option A. Heart. Option B. Spinal cord. Option C. Lungs. Option D. Kidney. The correct answer will be B. The spinal cord. Question number 19. Which disease spread through the mosquito bite? Cholera, malaria, tuberculosis, typhoid. The correct answer will be B. Malaria. Malaria is the disease which spread through the mosquito bite. Last question 20. What is the function of the phloem? Transport of water, transport of food, absorb minerals, store the food. Correct answer will be transport of food. Option B correct. Xylem is the function which transport the water, while phloem is the function which transport the food. You feel good discussion. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much nice.